Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important notification from IIIT Hyderabad for its PG admissions. So let us see this notification in detail. So here you have to see this URL https://pgadmissions.pgedmissions.iit.ac.in/pgee/. So this is the official URL, dear students, where you can see postgraduate entrance examination monsoon 2026 is given here. So PG entrance examination is for admission into the following programs: Master of Technology program, which is based on the coursework, Master of Science and Doctor of Philosophy programs, which require some coursework and completion of a research thesis. Duration of programs: MTech 2 years, Master of Science by Research 2 years, PhD 5 years, dear students. Program exam and eligibility: minimum grade criteria 60% or equivalent in qualifying degree would be needed for admission into all programs mentioned in the table below. So let us go through this, dear students. So program MTech, discipline Computer Science and Engineering, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches, 4-year BS with Mathematics, MSc, MCA, MA Mathematics. So subject test will be CSE and GA. Okay. Then Computer Science and Information Security, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches, 4-year BS with Mathematics, MSc, MCA, MA Maths, CSE and GA will be the subject test. Product Design and Management, Bachelor's Degree in Engineering, Technology, Design, Science or equivalent, 4-year program after 10+2 or Master's Degree in Science, Computer Applications, 2-year program after 10+2+3. At least 1 year industry or internship experience in product development is recommended. So subject test will be CSE and DA. Computer aided structural engineering, BE, BTech in civil engineering or mechanical engineering. So civil and general aptitude, civil and GA is the subject test, dear students. Then VLSI and semiconductor technologies, BE, BTech, 4-year BS in electronics and communication. Then electrical and electronics, electronics and instrumentation, telecommunication engineering, MSc in electronics or physics, ECE and GA is the subject test here. So coming for MS or PhD, computer science and engineering. So BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches, 4-year BS with mathematics, MSc, MCA, MA mathematics. So these are the eligibility, and CSE and GA is the paper that you have to write. Then electronics and communication engineering, MS, PhD. So if you click here, you can see the details of that. So BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches, 4-year BS with mathematics, MSc, MCA, MA Maths, ECE and GA is the paper here. Civil engineering, BE, BTech, ME, MTech in civil engineering or mechanical engineering or CSC or ECE or electrical, 4-year BS with Maths, civil and GA will be the subject test here. Bioinformatics, MSc in fundamental sciences, ME, MTech, BE, BTech, or 4-year BS in CS or IT or biotech, bioinformatics, biomedical or MCA. So GA will be the test, dear students. Then coming to PhD, computational linguistics, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches, 4-year BS with mathematics, MSc, MCA, MA mathematics. Computational natural sciences, MSc in fundamental sciences, ME, MTech, BE, BTech in CS or IT or biotech or bioinformatics or biomedical, MCA, 4-year BS with mathematics. Next, spatial informatics, ME, MTech, MSc, all branches, MCA, MA, geography. So GA is the paper. And cognitive science, BE, BTech, 4-year BS, MBBS, MD, MA, MSc, MTech or equivalent degree in cognitive science, psychology, linguistics, philosophy, sciences, related disciplines. So subject test will be GA. Human sciences, masters in any discipline of the humanities, social sciences, science, technology, BE, BTech, all branches. So here for human sciences, no test is there, dear students. GA stands for general aptitude, and date of examination is 2nd May 2025 between 2 PM to 5 PM. So that is what he has given. So now let us see the important dates here, dear students. So important dates are given here. You can observe. Application portal opens on 20th February 2026. Application portal closes on 31st March 2026. Entrance examination is on 2nd May 2026 between 2 PM to 5 PM. Then Master of Science by Research interviews on campus 10th and 11th June 2026. PhD interviews on campus 12th and 13th June 2026. So Admit cards will be released 10 days prior to the examination. So that is what he has given, 10 days prior to the examination. The hall tickets will be released. That is what he has given here. So eligible applicants of each program need to appear for a computer-based examination conducted by IIIT Hyderabad as shown in the table, above table. The exam will be held in multiple centers across many cities. The syllabi and detail for the exams are found here. Okay, so here if you click, list of centers will open. So you can see the list of centers here, total list of centers, dear students. So there are so many centers across India, you can go through them carefully. Okay. Now coming to the syllabus and details of the examination. So here you can see the syllabus and details of the examination. So PGEE exam structure, the entrance exam consists of the following two papers. General aptitude paper 90 minutes, subject paper 90 minutes. There will be negative marking of 25% for each wrong answers. In both the papers, the general aptitude paper will emphasize on basic aptitude. So here you can see basic aptitude, logical reasoning and basic questions on computers and mathematics. Applicant should appear for one of the following relevant subject papers based on their graduation discipline: computer science engineering or electronics and communication engineering or civil engineering. So syllabi for the subject papers. So here you can see engineering mathematics common for CSE, ECE and civil. So linear algebra is there and calculus is there. Computer science and engineering, digital logic, C programming, data structures, basic algorithms and problem solving, discrete mathematics and probability theory, relational databases, functional dependencies and SQL, then computer networks, operating systems. Electronics and communication engineering, digital logic, circuit theory and networks, electronic devices and circuits, signals and systems, probability theory and random processes, Laplace and Fourier transforms, then communication theory, then digital signal processing. Then civil engineering, structural engineering, solid mechanics is there, structural analysis is there, concrete structures, steel structures. So here elaborate syllabus is given, dear students. Then hydraulics and water resource engineering. So here in this fluid mechanics, hydraulic machinery and water resources related things are there. Other mathematics topics, Laplace and Fourier transformations. So these are the syllabus that is given, dear students. Kindly go through this syllabus carefully. Okay. Then admission for MTech programs is solely based on written examination which involves general aptitude and subject test. MS and PhD applicants will need to go through additional interview process. So that is also given here, additional interview process related information. So kindly go through this, dear students. So here he has given Master of Science by Research and PhD candidates who are shortlisted based on the PGE exam will be called for subject interview on the campus. PhD applicants with high GATE score will be shortlisted directly for interview. Shortlisted candidates will be informed before the PGEE examination. Those who are not shortlisted for direct interview will have to appear for PGEE examination. Any candidate with greater than or equal to 7 GPA on a scale of 10 from any CFTI colleges would become eligible to be shortlisted for PhD interviews without PGEE examination post an internal screening process. Any net qualified candidate with current validity would be eligible to be shortlisted for PhD interviews without PGEE examination, dear students. So all the information is given here. Kindly go through this information, tuition fee and financial support, everything information is given, dear students. So a monthly stipend of 31 to 35,000 will be given to the full-time PhD candidates. That is what he has given. So kindly go through this information before applying, dear students. Then application fee is 3,100 rupees. Applications are open, dear students. So to apply for MTech programs, log into the application portal postgraduate PGEE MTech. So this is what you have to see. To apply for MS PhD programs, log into the application portal postgraduate PGEE MS or PhD. So detailed admission process for MTech program is given here and for research programs is given here. Kindly go through this information carefully, dear students. So all the fee related information, everything is given. So please go through this before applying for this process. So coming to the application, so here you can see first you have to register, dear students. So as per your 10th standard Mark sheet, you have to enter the full name, gender, date of birth, mother tongue. So do you have any disability, father's details, current occupation of the father, highest qualification of father, mother's details are all there, then siblings details, then income details of the family, address details, all this information you have to give, dear students. Then login details, so here email address and password and mobile number, so that is what you have to give here, and then click on save and proceed. So this is how you have to register, enter all the details after logging in into the form, dear students. So this is the process, and once again I just want to show you the last dates, dear students. Okay, so here you can see the last date to apply is 31st March 2026, dear students. So don't wait till the last date, try to apply as soon as possible and prepare for the examination. So ACE Engineering Academy is offering an offline or online test series, dear students, for IIIT PGEE 2026. So the online test series consists of 5 full-length mock tests which are starting from 23rd February 2026, dear students, for computer science engineers and electronics and communication engineers. So flat 50% off is there, and the mode of examination, medium of examination will be English, and you can scan here to register for this test series, dear students. Okay, so the last date to apply for PGEE examination is 31st March 2026, dear students. Don't wait till the last date. Okay, so try to apply as soon as possible. Thank you, all the very best.